Try it. 구라야, 뻥이야. 아, 죽을래? Hello everyone. I'm June, a Korean language teacher from EDM Korean Language School. Recently, many foreigners are interested in the movie Parasite, and they are also very curious about the lines spoken by the actors in it. So, we have decided to make Korean classes based on it. We can learn Korean expressions and culture through this movie. Today, we are going to learn about Korean slang used in this movie. When people learn another language, they are normally more interested in slang than grammar or vocabulary. Let's watch a clip and keep on learning Korean slang.
부모님 얼굴도 뵙고 좋더라. 건강들 하시고.
일거리가 없으셔도.
네가 내 대신 얘 과외 선생님 좀 해줘라. 영어.
대학생인 척하라는 거야?
구라를 좀 치지 뭐.
As you watch, he said, 구라 좀 치지 뭐. The English subtitle is just fake it, which means just lie. Normally, people in their 20s or 30s say this with friends, but mostly guys do. In Korean, the word fake is simply 구라, 뻥, or 거짓말. In speech, you can say 구라야, 뻥이야, or 거짓말이야. Try it. 구라야, 뻥이야, 거짓말이야. I'll give you an example. You made plans with your boyfriend for this weekend, but he's gotten a better offer from his friend. He texts you, I'm sorry, I have to cancel it because I have a cold. When you get this message, if you don't believe him, you would say 구라치지 마, 거짓말 치지 마, 뻥치지 마. And this may be different whether you are a girl or a guy. If you're a guy, it could be 구라치지 마. If you're a girl, you can say 뻥치지 마 or 거짓말 치지 마. This is a cuter way of saying that. Now we are gonna watch another clip in a PC방. A PC방 is a computer room. This is when the brother Ki-woo and sister Ki-jung are making a fake diploma to get the tutor job that was recommended by his friend Minhyuk.
넌 이 좋은 실력으로 왜 미대는 맨날 떨어지냐?
아, 죽을래.
In this clip, she said, 아, 죽을래? To him. In this scene, it means shut up. When I translate 죽을래 literally, it means do you wanna die? But in this scene, she uses it figuratively to mean shut up. There are many Korean expressions that mean shut up. 죽을래? 닥쳐. Or 조용해. 조용해 means be quiet. It is less harsh than 죽을래 or 닥쳐. But with a strong intonation, can be used for shut up. I hope you found these expressions and the way to say them interesting. See you next time with more useful Korean expressions. Bye!